Are you aware about the present proceedings?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell, my lord, what the present proceeding is about?
It's about a High Court in the year 1964, along with Shamal Sen, who was my contemporary in college. Same year, I appeared for the IAS examination and I stood second amongst contesting candidates amongst the central services, and I was placed in the Indian Audit and Account Service.
When you have retired,
I sought premature retirement in 1984 because I was the only son of my parents, and I thought in their old age I should look after them.
next,
Are you aware about the present proceedings?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell, my lord, what the present proceeding is about?
It's about a will of my sister-in-law, Bodhi, who died in 2022.
Can you please name her?
Borsha Ganguly.
How are you connected with the case?
I was the attesting witness. One of the attesting witness.
Can you say,
interpretation দরকার নেই আপনি থাকুন
can you
Okay,
say the
wait,
date
wait.
of the will?
5th February 2020.
How are you connected with Borsha Ganguly?
She was my Bodhi. She was married in the year 1962. So I knew her for 58 years when she executed this particular will.
My lord, I'm showing him the will. Actually, it's a Bengali will. I'm showing him the Bengali will.
he is also a Bengali.
Yes.
I understand Bengali.
They're proud of him also.
Yes.
Please. Yes.
I am showing you a document. Please see the document and tell my lord what this document is.
আমি শ্রীমতা বর্ষা গাঙ্গুলি
Just what the document is.
What's the nature of
ইচ্ছাপত্র will.
Do you find any signatures in the will?
will কর্ত্রীর স্বাক্ষর বর্ষা গাঙ্গুলি
no whether
and attesting witness
Slowly, slowly.
Testator namely,
বর্ষা গাঙ্গুলি
sorry,
Testator.
namely
বর্ষা গাঙ্গুলি.
sir whether it is a Xerox copy or original will.
This is a Xerox copy. The original will was with her, and as a witness I was given one of the copies.
Can you understand that this is the Xerox of that original?
That's right. Yes, I do understand.
This question should be
Is
It-
this the original or the Xerox copy?
This is the Xerox copy.
How did you get it?
It was Xerox then and there and given to me.
Please encircle the signature you have just identified in red.
Borsha Ganguli's signature.
Yes. Kindly encircle it in red.
I have done it.
Do you find any other signatures? Do you find any other signatures in the will?
Yes, my signature is there, number 2, Tapan Ganguly.
Kindly encircle it in blue. Blue.
sir, madam. As a will here, as a attending witness,
Attesting witness.
as a attesting
Attesting witness.
witness. Witness encircle his signature.
Do you find any other signatures in the will?
Surat Narayan Banerjee. Surat.
S-U-R-A-T-H.
T-H. Narayan Banerjee.
Kindly encircle it in blue. How can you say that this?
Hmm.
How can you say that the signature which you encircled in red is the signature of Borsha Ganguly?
She actually signed in my presence. I know her signature quite well.
And the other signature of Shuratnath Banerjee,
Surat Narayan Banerjee.
Banerjee, which you signed in blue, how can you say it is his signature?
He signed in my presence. My presence.
How are you related to Shuratnath Banerjee?
She was Bodhi's younger sister's. He was Bodhi's younger sister's husband.
Can you say where this will was executed? Where?
It was executed in Calcutta, where she was staying. My Bodhi was staying at that time in Gorcha, in a building in Gorcha.
Can you remember whether any other person was present when this will was signed?
I don't remember.
I not any other question required. Only this signatures and the will should be marked as exhibit.
What was the physical condition of your body?
She was perfectly all right. She was all right. Mentally and physically, she was all right.
This is the first, another important question, I think. Okay. আর ওখানে যেখানে লিখবেন না, you have to mention the exhibit যেখানে করলেন উইলটা, the formal proof is dispensed with. Formal proof is being dispensed with. হ্যাঁ, okay.
Signature
Yes,
গুলো A by 1,
A by 1, A by 2 है.
8A.
That's right. Okay.
Only one more question about
Yes,
his
yes, please
affidavit.
ask. There is another matter.
Have you filed any?
A by 1, A by 2.
Okay, next matter ready. 12:15 ready. 12:15 ready. Yes.
এইটা আগে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলেন এইটা।
সেকেন্ড আপনি না বুঝলেই ভালো হতো আমার। কি করবো? ওইটা করতে হবে। বাড়ি যেতে হবে, আমার কালকে ট্রেনিং আছে।